Journey out to Middlemarsh at low tide to really understand the potential of this discovery for protecting coastal communities from erosion and sea level rise.
Oyster reefs, they grow so rapidly, they can keep up with any of our future predictions of sea level rise, at least by the year 2100. So oyster reefs, if they're next to a shoreline, they can protect that shoreline from erosion, so they dampen the wave energy.
Coastal geology professor Antonio Rodriguez is talking about oysters and oyster reefs. We're talking big oyster reefs. And these reefs, built on sand flats in the center of Middlemarsh, enjoy what's called the Goldilocks effect. They were built in just the right spot.
And so what we did in this experiment is we built some too high, and then we built some too low. And the ones that were too high and too low didn't succeed. And the ones that were right at what we call 40% exposure, so they're exposed 40% of the time, they did really well.
But what's amazing about the 11 reefs that were built in this section of the Rachel Carson Estuarine Research Reserve near Beaufort is just how fast they grew. From 1997 to 2011, the reefs grew in size at a pace that would match any future sea level rise.
So the way we construct a reef is we put out oyster shell, and we did this in a regular dimension. So they're 3 meters by 5 meters by 15 centimeters high.
Okay.
And then we leave it out, and then there's oyster larvae in the water, and they settle on the shells, and that they grow up.
It just grows.
And they grow on top of each other.
While oyster reefs have been studied for years, this is the first study to suggest that reefs could provide better protection from storms and erosion than a traditional seawall. That's because the oyster reefs keep growing faster than the seas are rising.
This guy is alive, he's at the bottom, and then we have this one, and then we have this one, and then we have this one. So if each one of these oysters is growing 5 centimeters, and they're growing on top of each other, that's all additive. So that's why the reef as a structure grows up really fast, faster than individual oysters grow.
The discovery suggests that oyster reef restoration projects could not only be used to help rebuild declining oyster populations, they could also stabilize shorelines and protect coastal communities from sea level rise, erosion, and storms. The reefs will add almost 6 inches in height per year until they hit a plateau about like that, but they continue to widen. So a community could conceivably put a series of reefs along their shoreline to make a natural oyster wall for storm protection.
The white area is the shoreline.
Rodriguez's team measured the reefs with laser scanners.
The three-dimensional model is very precise, so within 2 centimeters. And so if we do this today, and then we come back a year from now, we can see how the reef's grown.
Red indicates the fastest growth. Yellow is next. The measurements show the reefs grow in both height and width and could double in volume every 4 years.
It measures the return from the laser, and it does this about 2 million times in 10 minutes. And so we get 2 million samples of what the ground looks like. And so that's essentially what it's doing. So it scans real world and turns it into a three-dimensional model in the computer.
The challenge in considering oyster reefs for storm protection is that the reefs appear to grow best under very specific conditions in intertidal estuaries. The water can't be too salty. Still, North Carolina Sea Grant, which supports oyster restoration science, believes the discovery shows that creating living shorelines like oyster reefs is a win for people, oysters, and nature.
Because oysters are providing many services to humans in addition to being tasty things to eat. Oysters clean the water. Oysters provide habitat for our recreational fisheries. Oysters can protect shoreline from wave erosions. In North Carolina, we tend to have gently sloping shorelines with vegetation and oysters. And so if we can mimic that natural shoreline and get protection at the same time, we're working with nature and not against it.
Oyster reefs are incredibly important for the coastal environment. So if they exist next to the shoreline, they provide some protection from erosion because the reef is so much harder than the sediment bank. So it absorbs some of that wave energy. And so the good news is, with sea level rise, these types of reefs, they should keep up with sea level rise.